question we get quite often from people coming up is what amenities are in the cabins. And basically, you have everything in there you need to look after yourself for a week. There's no TVs. The cell service is not the greatest. So it's kind of 90s themed, where you just come hang out and talk to each other. There's card games. There's barbecue. All your cooking stuff is available. Pots, pans, dishes, cutlery, glasses, coffee maker, fridge, an extra freezer in most of the cabins for fish. Lots of guys like to bring their own deep fryer so they can cook it up, but depends on how you like to cook it. So firewood here for everything. It's $10 a cartload. There's an ice shack that has bags of ice for sale as well. So basically all you need is your food and drinks and clothes.